Hello everybody, this is the one and the only Mikey B coming from my new residence. It kind of looks like my old one, but I assure you it's not. I'm in California now. You may remember last year how we did a video called the Super Hive Hype Train. Ha 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 ha. That video sure was silly. But we're gonna do it all again. This is the 2015 movies that have got me so high. Come on everybody, get on the train, get on the hype train. Hi, do you remember the Avengers? Well, of course you do. It's only 2012's biggest blockbuster, and we're getting the sequel. And speaking of blockbusters, we get a Hulkbuster in this movie. That's right, it's Iron Man's super duper heavy clad armor that can defeat the Hulk in theory. And not only that, but there's several new superheroes like Scarlett Johansson, Rich. We have Quicksilver #2. We get the Birdman from that other movie. He's getting back, I guess. Iron Patriot. And Vision. I can see the Vision. He's in this movie. And not only that, but Ultron looks like he's going to be a tough opponent, unlike that Loki guy, turning people against each other or making a bunch of enemies to fight. You know, it looks kind of like the first one when you really think about it. But that doesn't matter. You got the gangs all here, and you can't go wrong. Marvel all the way, baby. I'm gonna get you. Yeah, I'll be right there. Yep, you caught me. I was playing a little bit of dinosaur fun, just like the good old days back in the 90s, playing with my Jurassic Park toys. I had a million of them, and Jurassic Park was a big part of my life. I loved the whole movie. I loved the sequel and the other sequel, and now they're making another Jurassic Park movie. Will it be good? I don't know. Does it have Chris Pratt? That I do know, and that I do approve.
Evacuate the island. She's a highly intelligent animal. She will kill anything that moves.
Oh, God.
Oh golly gee whiz, I wonder what's going on inside my head. My head is a complete mess, so full of all of the emotions. I just can't even keep them straight. I just wish that there was some way I could express myself without feeling like an awkward turd. But wait, there is a film coming out by those geniuses at Pixar called Inside Out. It discovers that there's a whole world inside your brain where there's colorful creatures that control your every thought and emotion. Wow, I can't wait to watch that.
I'm joy. This is sadness. That's anger.
What?
This is disgust. And that's fear. We're Riley's emotions. These are Riley's memories. They're mostly happy, you'll notice, not to brag.
I wanted to maybe hold one.
What happened? Sadness?
She did something to the memory.
Is everything okay?
I don't know.
Change it back, Joy.
Trying.
Joy, no,
Let
wait.
go.
The core memories. Can I say that curse word now?
Rev your engines because Fast and the Furious 7 is coming out soon, and you may like it. I personally, I've had enough of these films. But when has it ever been about me? Oh, sorry. You caught me live tweeting this video to myself in the past about future events. Or maybe that's something that's not possible now, but perhaps it will be in the land of tomorrow, featured in that movie called Tomorrowland.
I want you to take me there.
Take you where?
Where'd you get this? Who are you, kid?
What you saw was a place where the best and the brightest people of the world came together to actually change it. We've been looking for someone like you for a very long time.
Why? Did something happen over there? Something bad?
Yes, that's right. Another Disney film based on yet another Disney ride or attraction. But this one looks like it's gonna be different. There's like, that guy George Clooney's in there, and it's directed by Brett. Give me back the flay fish. Give me the fish. Give me back the flay fish. Give me that fish. I just want to shrink down like Paul Rudd in that movie Ant-Man. And then I could sneak around and do all sorts of ant-like behavior. At least that's what I assume that he's doing in that movie. I really don't know. I guess he's a crime fighter. I guess his daughter has a terminal illness. So we'll see. It's one of the more peculiar ones from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. So we'll just have to wait and see how well it plays out. It could be a dud. It will be a dud.
One question. Is it too late to change the name?
Oh, Teddy, I wish you could really talk.
You are a copyright infringer.
Oh, Teddy, you shouldn't say such things.
Up yours, honky.
Oh, Teddy, you have such a bad mouth. I'm putting you down.
Wah.
Well, Ted 2's coming out sometime, and we know that A Million Ways to Die in the West was a complete flop.
It's as if we want to have a baby, you're gonna have to prove you're a person in a court of law.
This is a nightmare.
We gotta fight it. We'll get a lawyer and we'll sue the government for your civil rights.
I'm Samantha Jackson. You must be Ted.
Yeah, Samantha Jackson. What's your middle name?
Leslie.
Oh my God, you're Sam L. Jackson.
That's great. I mean, just like Sam L. Jackson.
Who is that?
You ever seen any movie ever? He's the black guy.
They've denied you the same rights as everybody else just because you're different.
Can you get me my life back?
Ted, do you believe you have a soul?
What did you think I would do at this moment?
Objection.
Overruled.
And Ted 2 looks like it could be just such a funny little movie. Him and Tammy Lynn want to have a baby, and he has to prove that he's a sentient being, just like Data in that one episode of Star Trek The Next Generation. But I digress. This one, takes probably some big stands, and hopefully it'll be just as funny as the last one. Hola, ¿cómo está? I want to tell you about a film called The Four Fantastics. The Four Fantastics are muy fantastico. They fly around in outer space. They travel the world with each other, solving mysteries of science and fiction. But it is no good that they had two films early in the 2000s. But now we get a film. It looks like a good film for the Four Fantastics. Who knows? I don't know. Que muy bien. Y tú?
But with every new discovery, there is risk. There is sacrifice. And there are consequences.
We have Stretching Man. We have Rock Man. We have the Invisible Man, Woman Man. We have, as we say in our country, El Caliente Negro, the Black Hat. He is the Human Torch. He is quite a big deal. But we will see if everything works out and there is no controversy. Ooh, that's sour. Ugh, I'm Mad Max and the future is so uncertain, mate. There's all sorts of post-apocalyptic things going on. I'm not quite a fan of that kind of genre. But hey, if it works, it works. And my new film, Mad Max Fury Road, looks like it's gonna be a lot of high-octane action. Throw another shrimp on the barbie and check it out.
Want to get through this? Let's go!
Sarah Connor, John Connor, Kyle Reese, and Arnold Schwarzenegger all return for Terminator Genesis, which is like the sequel, prequel, reboot of the Terminator franchise that we all love. I mean, I know I love 1 and 2.
Sir, let me save her. What you're doing right now, this is the end of the war. The time you're going back to, she'll be scared and weak. Take care of her for me, Kyle.
Come with me if you want to live. Now, soldier!
Some of the special effects look kind of whatever. So this movie is very strange to begin with. We'll see. You know, hey, it's not hype train unless I mention things that could not be very hypey, but hey, it's the hype train. It's not like the reality train or the measured expectations train. It's the hype train. Well, that does it here for us. Let's just take a moment and relax. Mama gonna say. That's all the movies of 2015. That's all the hype that we have for today. No, I'm not forgetting anything. No, definitely not. Okay, fine. Yes, there's another movie coming out, and its name is Star Wars Episode 7. It's so exciting. It's so hypey. It's too hypey for this one episode. Yes, so you know what that means. Hype Train 2. Part 2. I could be teeny tiny and sneak around. At least that's imagine what he's gonna be doing in that movie. Wow, that sentence didn't make any sense at all. Huh. We have stretching man. We have rock man. We have invisible man woman. And then we have, what do we call, El Caliente Negro, the black heat. I'm so dumb. Ugh. Why did I do that?